guys, so in this video I'll tell you how to turn on microphone on WhatsApp. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your settings, and in the settings you have to click on app management. After that you have to click on app settings. Here you have to search for WhatsApp. So after that you have to click on WhatsApp. Here you can see that the option of permissions. You just have to click on this. Okay, so now this will shows you the allowed permissions and denied permissions. Here you can see that microphone is in denied. So this may be reason that your microphone won't be working for WhatsApp. So what you have to do is that you have to click on microphone and you have to click on allow. And as you can see that now microphone has come into the allowed section, and now microphone has been turned on for WhatsApp. So you can use microphone on your WhatsApp device. Hope you guys like the video. Okay, so guys, this brings me to the end of the video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.